Benedict Siolebar. I'm from Group 1, Gryffindor. Today is about the movie we discuss is Unfriended Dark Web, directed by Steven Sosko. It's a thriller about Matthias, Aubrey, and his group of friends who discovered that the laptop Matthias picked up actually belonged to someone connected to the dark web. The main characters is Matthias, Maya, Damon, AJ, Lex, Nari, and Serena. Communicate through a video call where they slowly realize that a violent underground network is watching and manipulating them. The film highlighting how a single careless action on it can lead to dangerous consequences. The movie also presents several ICT trends, such as video conferencing, cloud-based storage, and encrypted communication. The group stays in touch through a video chat, technology widely used today. The laptop contains files saved in the online folder showing how cloud storage functions. The criminals used to encryption tools and cryptocurrency shows how a modern technology can be abused to maintain anonymity. The film portrays digital threats, life hacking, privacy breaches, and identity theft. Hackers gain control of the characters' webcam and online accounts, demonstrating how vulnerable devices can be without proper security. The dark web exposes them to serious criminals, emphasizing the risk of the safe online behavior. Overall, the movie teaches viewers to protect personal information and keep devices secure. It stresses the importance of the strong passwords and responsible online habits. It's also warns against visiting suspicious or unfamiliar websites, reminding us to use technology wisely and safely.
Victor on the beat.